To access direct developer documentation inside the Thunkable Designer, you can use the documentation resources that are connected to components, settings, and features throughout the platform. These resources help you understand how a component works, what properties are available, and how to implement functionality without needing to search manually through the entire documentation website. Start by opening your project in Thunkable and navigating to the Design tab. The Design tab is where you create screens, add components, and customize the appearance of your application. Most development work begins here, making it the primary area where contextual documentation is useful. Next, select the screen, component, or feature you want to learn more about. For example, you might click a button component, image component, label component, or another interface element. When a component is selected, its properties become visible in the Properties panel. This panel contains settings specific to that component and is one of the main places where contextual information is provided. As you work within the designer, watch for help links, documentation references, or contextual guidance associated with the selected feature. These resources are designed to help builders understand available options without leaving the development workflow for extended periods. When a documentation link is available, click it to open the relevant Thunkable documentation page. The documentation typically explains component properties, available blocks, configuration options, and implementation examples. This makes it easier to understand how a feature behaves before adding logic or customization. For project-wide settings, you can also access additional guidance through the Settings area. Clicking the Settings icon within your project provides access to project configuration options and related documentation for app-level settings and integrations. After reviewing the documentation, return to your project and continue building. The ability to move between the designer and official documentation helps speed up development and reduces the need for trial and error when configuring components. If you need more detailed explanations, tutorials, or advanced examples, you can continue into the full Thunkable documentation library, which contains dedicated pages for components, screens, app settings, AI features, navigation systems, and publishing workflows. And that's how you access direct developer documentation inside the Thunkable Designer. Select a component, use any available documentation links or contextual help, review the official guide, and return to your project to continue building with a better understanding of the feature.